People, I'm not recommending that you do like I do with a little old bitty mosquito net and a shirt. I have been stung numerous times, numerous. Now I completed this whole operation, never got stung the first time. The trick is smoke them, give them 3 or 4 minutes, don't drop anything. The other day I was looking, messing around, checking them out, and I reached over there and took the top loose on the white rocks on the end over there. And what happened was, it slipped and bumped back down on top of the hive. I don't know, 12, 14 stings. They hit me like a freight train. Be calm, be gentle, move real slow. Don't just reach in there and pull the tray out. Kind of put your hand down gently. I have touched bees and they'll move. They feel the heat, they'll move. They're not wanting to fight. All right, then you ease your trays out, check it, put it back together. Now, you can and will get stung. So I'm not recommending that. I'm just telling you it can be done.